Today I will demonstrate how to use the EasyPen as shown here. Wear the EasyPen using the lanyard. To attach the lanyard, slide it onto the clip. Separate the magnets. Place the lanyard around your neck. Make sure the microphone is facing outward. To turn on the transmitter, press and hold the power button, and a green light flashing will indicate that it's transmitting the signal. The student's hearing aids or cochlear implants should already be connected to the transmitter. But if the student says they're not hearing you through the transmitter, try and reconnect using the connect button. Press and let go of the connect button. You'll see a blue-green for successful connection. The connect button is just below the power button on the side. It's a good idea to do this every morning so that you can assure that everything is working properly. The EasyPen transmitter will transmit up to 20 meters or 65 feet. Be aware that what you're saying will be transmitted through doors and walls. Please remember to mute or turn off the transmitter when there's no direct instruction. If you're not muting frequently throughout the day, you may not be doing it enough. Encourage the student to help you to remember to mute and unmute using a nonverbal signal so that the student doesn't have to interrupt you while you're talking. To mute the EasyPen, do a quick press on the side button and you'll see a solid purple light. To unmute, again a quick press and you go back to a green flash. To turn the EasyPen off, press and hold the power button until a red light appears. Charge the EasyPen every night. Turn it off first and then plug the charger into the receptacle at the bottom of the transmitter. There's no danger of overcharging the transmitter. Our team is happy to help and answer any questions that you might have.